Alrighty guys, real quick, let's talk. Alright, y'all see this? This is panel that I did yesterday on that truck. Now, y'all see how this material come apart. A lot of y'all was in the comment section complaining, I would say. A lot of y'all was saying that this should be a recall. I remember Riverall saying they likely use Armor All on this thing and that's not good for it. Everybody have their opinion. Everybody was voicing their opinion, and I appreciate it because I'm open to all opinions. Now, I want to say this about the recall situation, how you think this should be a recall. Let me explain something to you. Recalls are predominantly safety issue. Guys, there's nothing unsafe about your damn dash panel coming apart. Okay, that is not unsafe. Okay, you're not gonna crash, you're not gonna do anything. Now, I'm not defending the car makers, I'm just being realistic. Like, this has a slim chance of becoming a recall, okay, because it's not a safety issue. Now, what you can argue is that they probably should extend the warranty on it. Yes, in some cases, warranty should be a lot longer than what it is. Just say, for instance, if this only basic 336 warranty and they are aware that there's a problem, they should extend it to 100,000 miles. I agree with that part. But to suggest that this should be a recall, I think people do that because they want it for free. I get it. Yes, I understand. I get it. But I don't think they're going to make this a recall and cause themselves a lot of headache and a lot of money trying to fix it, even though it could be perceived as a known problem. I'm not so sure it's perceived that way by the manufacturer, but who am I? I'm nobody. Now, that is one. Okay, let me show you what I just got through talking about. This black truck right here. This is a Ram. Take a look at this. Yeah, y'all see that? Same situation as we talked about earlier. A lot of y'all want this to be warranty. Oh, recall, I mean. Look. Yeah. Coming apart. I don't want to... It's bubbling. Yeah, this is terrible. And this is a nice ass freaking truck. All right. What do you do when that happens? Yeah, you want your nice looking truck. You don't want your dash looking like that, man. That is terrible. I just did that one. Now, they're not in for that, but I'm going to try to upsell that, see if they want it fixed. If they do, cool. If they don't, cool. Now, what we talked about earlier, I suggest it should be a damn warranty extension due to a mile, maybe 100,000 miles. Well, get a load of this. Let me open the door. I want y'all to look at something. Y'all see that? That mileage, 142. Yeah, 142,000 miles. So this would be out. Even if they had extended the warranty on this vehicle for that dash panel, this would be out. So I said all that to say this. Over time, guys, every part on a vehicle will eventually fail. Okay, again, I want to reiterate this. I'm not making excuses for the car makers. Okay, I'm just being realistic with my viewers. Yes, that is terrible. Now, one could argue this probably happened at 90,000 miles and he just didn't bother doing it. That's an option, but if it just happened and he got over 100,000 miles, you basically on your own. If your vehicle have over 100,000 miles, you on your own as far as any repairs. You likely don't have no warranty because there's no incentives for a warranty company will cover anything on your car with that many miles. Yeah, I'm gonna analyze this one day. I'm gonna cut a chunk of this out, take it to the lab, and check it out and see what's going on. But are they a pain in the ass to do? Absolutely, a big pain. All right, but we got it done. Pays well if you can beat the time. If you do one, you will probably lose. But your second and third one, you will beat the time. That is why I'm going to try to upsell this job. They in for something else, but we'll see how well they really love their truck, right? Nice ass truck. Got the Hemi in it and everything. What is it in for? Oh, some suspension work. Yeah, I got to take care of all of this. This is one I'm working on. We can throw this away. I'm done with that. But I just wanted to run that through you guys. I appreciate the comments. My buddy was, this should be a recall, point blank. I'm like, bro, I get it. We want it free. Everybody want it free. But yeah, warranty extension is the best. Now they extended the warranty on a lot of other things that I think should have been recalled. But here's a scapegoat when it comes to recall. If it's not related to safety, they're not obligated to do it. Yeah. Obligations are forced by the law. Okay. Car companies want to avoid a huge lawsuit, so they'll issue recalls or stuff like that. But anyway, got that off my chest, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. I gotta go.